that with just a few steps you could actually elevate a 65,700 X5 into a 124,000 X5M. Welcome back to Team Visionaries, guys. It's a girl Salome here, the automotive modification magician. So today, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can transform a G05 chassis X5 into a X5M, which actually costs 2 times the X5s, meaning to say it can buy you 2 X5s. So if you are curious on how you can do this, come with me and let me show you how you can achieve this. First of all, you have to remove this original bar grille, and then you have to install the double bar grille to attain the X5M look. And then when you do that, you can actually see there are some 2 horizontal bars inside here. They're actually more vivid when you install the new bar grille. The original X5, it comes actually with the fog lights, but with our modifications, guess what? The fog lights has to be removed. But after they are removed, because we're also considering aesthetic, you know, we're looking at the beauty of the car, so condensers have to be installed so that it doesn't remain empty. It covers the empty space. Beneath the front grille here, an upgrade of a larger ventilation grille has been made, and this front grille is actually going to be replaced with the iconic front grille of an X5M. And then, guys, you can see this car, it gives a handsome look, but somehow it lacks a sporty feeling. But with our upgrade, this is going to be the look is going to be more aggressive, and it's going to give that kind of stay away vibe. So it's going to be the talk of the town, and it's going to be eye-catching as well. So with the front bumper actually upgraded, it is incomplete without upgrading also the rear bumper. So I'm going to show you what's going to be done on the rear bumper. The X5M's wheels are a little bit wider than the ones of the X5. And then if you look at this rear windows, it actually has the boost horn type of sign, and then these side fins actually have also been upgraded. Okay, the window trims originally they are silver, and the roof rack is also silver, but we actually changed it into black, so you can actually customize it for you, so it can be like, you know, the black night is really nice as black. We have also upgraded the rear spoiler, which makes the car look like it's ready to go anytime. We have actually replaced the rear bumper with the one of the X5M body kit. You can take a look at the rear bumper just like we did with the front bumper. The look might not be as stunning as it's supposed to be. That's just because the modified parts are not yet painted. Better modification ideas, don't forget to tell me in the comment section. And if it's your first time to be with us right here, you know what you have to do: comment, subscribe, and like, and turn on that notification button. Whenever I post a new video about modifications, you're gonna be the first one to know. And you know how we do it: elevate your drive, define your style.